Buildings and cities have been bound to human culture since the beginning of time. Changes in technology and society have a direct influence on building. Buildings from today and the future are faced with ever-increasing quality demands and more complex function requirements. Although there won't be a major increase in budgets, the construction time will have to be considerably reduced. To face these demands, increasingly well-qualified staff will be needed to competently apply the new technologies and their experience to the entire building process. This is the key to building more lucratively. The group Max Boegl has set itself the challenge and is working together with the Fraunhofer Institute for Industrial Engineering, IAO, on state-of-the-art concepts. The application of new technologies makes it possible for the construction company Max Boegl to work faster, more effectively, and at the same time to put together a construction plan and economically realise the contracted project. Possible errors can be foreseen and so be considered at the planning stage. Cooperation between all partners working on the construction will be better coordinated, so saving time and money. Together with the architect, the client presents the project to the contracted building firms. At a video conference with the team of project leaders, the architect discusses the design and the conditions. All systems required for a comprehensive planning of the building, as well as the necessary information and the data bank, are available in the planning room. Here the project leader draws up the exact planning and reports to the clients promptly and exactly about arising costs, construction time and the functions of the building. Here in the planning room of the company Max Boegl, the planning team meets to look at the building design in detail. The projection table displays the building three-dimensionally so that the work can be done interactively. The critical parts of the design are automatically compared to the experience gained from other construction projects. This supports the planning team and presents alternative solutions. The drawings are checked directly to the relevant law and regulations. Problems and overlaps are immediately clear to the planning team and alternative solutions are offered. In the 3D room, the separate elements are put together, for example the electricity lines and the water pipes. Discrepancies can be recognised immediately. Direct access to all the project data and an information database provide direct help for solving the problems. Clients can experience the planned building in an impressionable manner and in its original size. Ideas and wishes can be recognised early and taken into consideration. This is your office. Take the joystick and have a look around yourself. Well, I actually pictured it a little larger. The architect has planned it this way. But it is too small. I feel a little closed in. Is there anything we can do? If you allow me.
gefällt
Yes,
dir?
I really like it.
Danke.
Thank you very much. In the planning centre, the building is coordinated. The individual stages are simulated and optimised. Time and costs are calculated, alternatives checked, and possible future difficulties can be taken into consideration. The entire logistics, such as the positions of the cranes or the coordination of the trucks and diggers, can be simulated so as to achieve the optimal building plan. The integration of the manufacturers and suppliers guarantees the up-to-date state of the simulation model. The complex construction process requires close cooperation between all project partners. Together, the partners calculate the building and time planning and bring their specialist knowledge into the team. In order to understand complex situations quickly and intuitively, they are presented visually. The finished model of the building is demonstrated to the clients. All functions and costs have been worked out and set. The client can visually experience the building. The virtual building is always present on the building site. The construction worker can see part of the virtual model through his glasses. With continuous overlapping with the reality, mistakes can be recognised immediately. Either the mistake is rectified directly on the building site, or the virtual building is adapted. All this information then flows into the database. Now I really have to laugh. Have a look at this. Who came up with this? Nobody would be able to find the light switch. I'm quite sure that only those people with adequate building experience would be able to spot mistakes that lie in the details. You just have to have it in your blood. To spot a detail error, you have to have the right nose for it. And well, I just have it. The computer alone can't do everything. So people are needed who can run the whole thing. And for this you need experience.
Hallo Helmut. Helmut?
Ja, was ist los?
Du da im Tunnel unten, da spielt...
You down in the tunnel. One of the pipes is playing up. Can you check it? I can't do it from here.
Ja, ich komme sofort.
Yes, I'll be right there.
schicke dir gleich jemand.
I'll send someone down straight away with the tools. As I saw this for the first time, I thought to myself, "Gah, I'll never be able to work with this thing. It's like in a science fiction film." Helmut, I said to myself,
Such dir einen neuen Beruf.
find yourself a new job.
Nachdem ich das gesehen habe, wie leicht
But then I saw how easy it was to work with. In the past, you had to knock right through a wall to find the problem. But today, you can use some new technology to find the problem straight away.
verwenden und man kann die Fehler sofort feststellen.
Competence, cooperation, and the qualified application of new technologies lead to the successful completion of complex building projects. The growing quality and functionality demands can, in this way, be fulfilled in the future and be affordable too. Together with the experience from completed projects and the commitment of all employees, it is possible to make full use of the technical aids. It is only with cooperation that building in the future will be attractive. With this vision and the efforts to fulfill it, Max Boegl is setting the course for the future.